watch find.
Visit this eBay channel. Welcome to the auction of the CWC G10 in need of repair. So I've had this watch, had it quite a few years actually. I wore it for about 3 years. The battery stopped. I never got around to putting in a battery another few years, and then when I put the battery in, I think something went up with the movement and it stopped working. So you can. I will, if you would, I will send it with this strap. Yeah, send it with this NATO, not the best NATO. So it's a CWC G10. I don't need to tell you. It's just the size of this. It's just a normal average CWC G10. This is the numbers. So I'm guessing from the number. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that way around there. I'm guessing from the number. Is it from 1999, I think? Can't quite write that out. The person I did buy it from eBay. The person I bought it from. This is actually this isn't one from CWC or Silverman's. This is one that was issued. Issued to a someone in the armed forces. I think he said he was in Iraq, but the year doesn't quite make sense for that. So. Anyway, the tritium. This is a tritium dial one. Let's actually move this out of the way so you can see. It's got the T for the tritium dial, but a lot of the lume on the minute hand is worn, and the lume itself is kind of like in the case a bit as well. So I have tried to change the battery. So the battery hatch works. I did manage to get this off actually. It was very loose. I managed to pry this off just to check the movement. This is the back of the battery, and this is it here. I think when I tried to change the battery, it's got like a plastic coating under that, and that flew out, lost forever. And I've tried to fix it. I think all it would need, to get it fixed, is the plus and minus here. Soldering with a wire or something, and then attaching to a battery. I did try to do that, but my skills wasn't good enough. Or you can just replace the movement. The movement, I think it's a Swiss Ronda movement. The Swiss Ronda movement is £30, so you can actually possibly change the movement itself, and then you've got a pretty good watch. I mean, the hands, I think it's okay as it is. I think it's a lot of patina, and them hands are quite good as it stands. But the movement needs looking at, either to repair the movement or to exchange it for a new movement. Also, the case, if you do that, the case back needs fitting. The only way to put it back is to have a watch press. Put these cases back. That's quite hard to put back apparently, but if you press it in there, it does tend to stay. But obviously I'm not near it, so it doesn't matter. So this is the CWC G10 quartz in need of spares, in need of repair, in need of having the movement changed or the movement repaired. Apart from that, it's got a lot of patina. It will come with this NATO strap. If you've got any questions, let me know, and I hope this helps. Just so you can get another quick look. Another quick look at the back. Oh, I'm pretty sure that year's 1999. I'm not quite. I think that's the way it works. Not quite sure. If you could maybe let me know in a question. I certainly bought it back in 2007. Wore it for a couple of years, and I've not used it for about 6 years. So. It was a great watch. These are very reliable watches, but if you're bidding, you already know that. Okay, thank you very much for your interest, and good luck bidding.